Are you sick of losing money in the market? Then listen close, because I have the solution to your problems. I have been using this indicator for the best part of a year now, and I am making profits day in, day out. In the last few videos, I have mostly been focusing on cryptocurrency. I have shown you my Bitcoin trades, my XRP trades, and today I'm going to show you something slightly different because I'm going to show you how this works on Forex pairs. So today I'm going to walk you through a EURUSD sell that I took yesterday using this very indicator. Before we jump in, this is not financial advice, this is purely for educational purposes only. Let's jump in. So guys, we are now on Tradingview, and for those who don't know how to set up the indicator, I'm going to go ahead and show you now. Once you have access to the indicator, you're going to go ahead to the indicator icon up here, your invite only scripts, and you're going to click the signaler onto your page. You're going to minimize this part here, and as you can see, the indicator is now on your chart. We're not quite there yet. We need to put the Heikin Ashi candles on because this indicator pairs really well when you have that momentum. So to do that, you're going to click these candles here. If you do not have them favorited, it'll be in this drop down here and you can see it just over there. As I said in the intro, I'm going to show you the trade that I took yesterday on EURUSD. To give you a brief summary of how this indicator works, you have a long signal here, which is where you will take your buy trades, and you have a short signal here where you will take your sell trades. The green background shows that you are in a bullish trend, and the red shows that you are in a bearish trend. Now we are on the 3-minute time frame. It is a time frame that I am most comfortable on in terms of entering and exiting my intraday trades. Now you can see here that we had a long signal which pushed up here, but for me I was waiting for the short call as I jumped on my laptop around midday. The short call was given, and I'm going to zoom in here so you can see where exactly I entered on. You can see here that a short call was given, and what you do is you put your entry on the candle that gave the signal and you put your stop loss here above the trend line. You can see that that is quite important, as you can see that the price came all the way back up here. Now in terms of targets, I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see the bigger picture that I was playing. Now in terms of profits, I was aiming for this liquidity pool here, which is below this swing point here, which would have given me a 1.35R. Now, for me, I like to shoot mostly for 2Rs at a minimum, so I did carry it further to this point here. As you can see, it hit take profit later that afternoon. Now, so you can understand what the R&R actually means, that was a 2-to-1. So if you're risking 1% of your account, you've just made 2%. If you were risking $1,000, you've gone ahead and made $2,000. So for me, yesterday, I made 2% increase on my account. Now, these trades are absolutely everywhere. So here you can see that there was a buy trade and it did carry up to a liquidity pool up here. So it was more of a 1-to-1. So just make sure that you're trading in a volatile session, because that's where you'll see these big momentum moves come from. So to get started, guys, you click the links in the below and it's going to take you to a Telegram page, which we're going to go over to now. Now, there is a 1-day free trial for the signals group only, and that will show up here when you click on your links in the description. If, however, you are a bit more committed like myself, you can see that there are more plans for you to choose from. You have the 1 month, you have the 3 month, you have the 1 year, you have the signals, you have the signals for 3 months, for 1 year. But you're going to just want to go ahead and grab the lifetime bundle. This gives you full access to everything. So once you go ahead and click that, you will be redirected to this page where you will choose to click pay by crypto. For me, I like to pay in USDT as it's a stable coin and the price won't fluctuate. You'll go ahead and click the USDT and you will click pay now to then get involved. Once you are all signed up, you will get access to the Signaler VIP page. So we're going to go ahead and jump there now so you can see what is in store for you. This is the Singular VIP page, and you can see here people are posting their profits, and they also give out signals. Now the signals are a massive bonus. I've been taking them myself and they hit almost every single time. As you can see here, guys, the community does post their profits. You can see here 316% profit, 298% profit, and they also give out signals that you can follow, showing you the entries and the multiple take profits that you could be taking. As you can see, guys, this is not an indicator that you want to sleep on. I have shown you its versatility with cryptocurrency and Forex pairs now. So to get involved, the links are in the description below. And while you're at it, go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified on my next videos.